I'm afraid I'm going to run out of material. I've got an hour class. Actually, some of them are 1 hour, 30 minutes. How do I fill up that time? It's impossible. I did my TEFL and they told me that I've got to pick a topic like food or transport, and I've got to do a warm-up activity, and then I teach the vocabulary, then I play a game, and then I say goodbye. Yeah, that's why. Listen, I have a system. I have a solution to anyone that's thinking they never have enough to do in a class. My process, which by the way is called the lesson flow, will absolutely ensure that you've not only got enough, but probably too much. So you've almost got to be careful what you wish for, because if you follow my process, you're going to be overwhelmed by the amount of material that you've got. I'm Gary. I've been living, teaching, recruiting and training English teachers in Thailand for 22 years. I also place teachers in Cambodia. I've written an ebook. It's called The Lesson Flow. And this ebook connects to my rather amazing teaching materials that I built using these little hands, plug and play lessons. I've got a 22 PowerPoint bundle with which you get a free copy of my ebook, The Lesson Flow, which explains how to teach, how to manage classes. I mean, I say book, it's more like a pamphlet. It's only about 35 pages, so don't worry. It won't take you 3 weeks to read it on your sunbed. But it cuts through all of the nonsense and it gives you strategies and ideas and something to follow, because I think we all need a plan, we all need a path, we all need a structure, right? And that's what the lesson flow does. It breaks the class into logical chunks. And it also ensures that you are teaching your students a really incredible amount of different language and teaching points throughout the lesson. Let me just give you a quick helicopter view of the lesson flow. So, you know, classroom management is really important, right? If we don't have good classroom management skills, and by the way, I've got a classroom management course that you can buy it. It's just $9 and you get a free TEFL template, which is worth $9 as well. Honestly, it's like giving stuff away, but you can see the classroom management course from 22 years of experience. You can buy it in my shop. But listen to my flow, yeah? Let's talk about the start. Rules, teams, reward. This is how you set a class up. You know, in Thailand, you might be dealing with 40, 50, 60 students, or even 2 students. This system works with anyone of any age. I used it with, I think there was 100 school teachers and directors. I used the same process. It works. Don't need to keep reinventing the wheel, right? So, rules, teams, reward. You tell the students what the rules are, you model them, they repeat them, they learn them, you elicit the rules from them, and over the time, you know, the rules increase as behavior changes. Put them into 2 groups and then you offer them a reward. Now the reward can be linked to the topic of the day, if it is transport or food. So you've got something that you can give which will help manage the students. And trust me, a strawberry drawn on the board with a whiteboard pen holds massive value to your average kindergarten or primary school student. You'll be amazed at what power a little blue strawberry has. Rules, teams, reward. The date, the most ignored piece of language in TEFL history. You practice the day, the date, the month and the year all the time. And you're like, oh, that's going to be boring. The students yeah, the students eventually say, teacher, I know the day. It's Monday, the 24th of April, 2026. Why'd you keep doing it? All right, smarty pants. What will the day, date, month and year be in 4 months' time? What was the date yesterday? I want a full sentence with correct grammar, smarty pants. So you can make anything more difficult. There's special holidays, Christmas, birthdays, yeah? So you've got a topic for the day, but prior to the topic, you're working on a bunch of other things which are improving their listening and speaking and pronunciation skills through the term. Rules, teams, reward, date. Let's transition into a pronunciation activity. Something simple like a tongue twister or a chant. You can start introducing sounds, you know, individually or in pairs or whatever. I mean, just work on a tongue twister and change it every lesson or every 2 lessons. Rules, teams, reward, date, tongue twister. Maybe you could move into some everyday communicative questions like name, age, where you're from, where do you live. Maybe have a couple of minutes just having a chat with the kids. Transition into the main topic, which whatever it may be, like I said, could be transport, could be food. So you've got a bunch of activities lined up where they're going to be learning the vocabulary, whatever structure or grammar you've put around it. And if you look at my website and download the free PowerPoint that I've got there for you, you can see how brilliant they are. And like I said, you can download 22 PowerPoint bundle with a free copy of my book. I think it's currently $39. I mean, there's over 200 hours of teaching material there. You're going to thank me later. That's a good song title, actually. So you're going to figure out very quickly that if you follow my process, the amount of language that they're going to be learning day in, day out with you is endless. And whoever asks your question, be it the parents or the teachers, you know exactly what you've taught because you've got a flow, you've got a structure, and you follow it. Repetition doesn't have to be boring, right? It can be fun, and it's very useful because repetition is what helps us to move things into our long-term memory, right? We have to keep doing it over and over again, but we don't want to just keep doing it in a boring way. It's got to be fun. So there are some fantastic games and activities in my lessons as well. Check it out. I'll put a link below. Ask me some questions. Talk to me. I'll be happy to answer. I've been here a long time, 22 years, so these materials and this system has been developed over nearly 2 decades, yeah? And I'm sharing it now, and I want people to use it. All of my coaching clients embrace it. In fact, most of my clients have come off of an online TEFL, and they're like, Gary, I've done this TEFL. I did it for like 6 weeks. I learned loads of theory, most of which I've forgotten, and what I do remember, I don't know how to put it into everyday practical use, and that's what's lacking in the TEFL industry. The strategies and the skills to hit the ground running and teach effectively without all of the nerves. I mean, you're going to be nervous, but I can remove a huge amount of that because if you're well prepared, you're setting yourself up for success. So, like, share, subscribe. I'll also put some information about my TEFL coaching. I've got a promotion currently. It's 50% off. So for just $30, you can spend an hour with me and talk about anything from finding a new job, helping you with your classroom management, teaching strategies, effective teaching methods, building your resume, application video, how to find a job in Thailand, Cambodia. In fact, I place teachers in Cambodia. I can get you a job in Cambodia if you've got one head, no facial tattoos, and you're smart, hardworking, passionate, dedicated, and not weird. So I can help you. Like, share, subscribe. Check below. I'll see you in the next video. See you, teachers.